Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel Fold for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel Fold is now here at Verizon Prepaid as of July 18th. Today is July 21st when I am recording this video here. So if you guys are looking to get a Pixel Fold on prepaid, Verizon has you covered here. So the Pixel Fold is now available in a obsidian color option here. Y'all had two storage options, 256 gigs for $17.99.99 or 512 gigs for $19.99. Alright, no contracts. Of course, you will have to pay full retail price for the Pixel Fold on Verizon Prepaid because there is no option to pay monthly for it. So you have to pay a pretty penny for this phone here. Alright. So that's what the Pixel Fold looks like there. Very nice looking phone. There's your cover screen there. Hole punch front facing camera, earpiece above that. The hinge is right here. Back of the Pixel Fold. It looks like it has 3 cameras, but it only has 2 cameras. Camera flash Google logo there on the back. There's the back of the Pixel Fold, like I just said. Dual camera setup. Camera flash Google logo. There's your covered screen. Hole punch front facing camera, earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. There's the inside of the Pixel Fold. It has a massive display there, so that's where all the fun's going to be at, is on the inside of the Pixel Fold. So yeah, there is the right side, power button, volume keys on the right side of the Pixel Fold there. You do have a camera bump there on the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back of the Pixel Fold again, the hinge right here. There is the Pixel Fold slightly open, so yeah. So when the Pixel Fold is folded, it's 3.1 inches width. When the Pixel Fold is unfolded, it's 6.2 inches width. When the Pixel Fold is folded, it's 5.5 inches height, and when it is unfolded, it's also 5.5 inches height. Alright. So it has a 48 megapixel quad PD with OIS and CLAF. I don't know what that is. It also has a 10.8 megapixel dual PD telephoto camera lens, so that's pretty cool. It has rear camera selfie, magic eraser, photo unblur, long exposure, roll tone, face unblur, panorama, manual white balancing, lock folder, night sight, top shot, portrait mode, portrait light, super res zoom, motion, autofocus, and frequent faces. Alright, up to 259 hours of standby time, up to 29.26 hours of usage time there. So yeah. Introducing, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. It says introducing Pixel Fold, the first foldable phone engineered by Google. All the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip in a thin pocket-sized design. It's a Pixel phone on the outside and a big immersive display on the inside for movies, photos, work, and multitasking. So you can even do more in so many ways. Pair Pixel Fold with Verizon, the network America relies on, and experience ultra-fast connectivity with Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network, now in more and more places. Alright, so it said Google's first foldable, brilliant in every way. Pixel Fold is a full 5.8 inch Pixel phone when it's folded. Unfolded, you get a 7.6 inch immersive display. It's scratch resistant with Gorilla Glass Victus and can stand up to splashes and spills with IPX8, water resistant. It's durable stainless steel. Hinge has a full 180 degrees range of motion. It's designed with matte glass and polished aluminum, and the battery can last all day. More room for work, play, and everything in between. Google AI powers multitasking and entertainment in new ways on the big display. Do 2 things at once with split screen. Just drag 2 apps up from the taskbar to quickly open them side by side, or open two tabs in Chrome to shop and compare. Open Pixel Fold to watch YouTube videos on the big immersive display. Set it on a Surface and tabletop mode and stay entertained hands-free. Just say things like, "Hey Google, pause video," alright? The amazing Pixel camera now in a foldable. Pixel Fold's unique form lets you express your creativity with brilliant rear camera selfies and low light photos and videos. Even hands-free. It's all powered by Pixel's triple camera system and Google Tensor G2 advanced image processing. Get everyone in the picture with tabletop mode. Just place Pixel Fold on a surface, set a timer, and jump in the frame, or say, "Hey Google, take a photo." And take breathtaking astrophotography without the tripod. Capture a time lapse or photo of the stars with Pixel Fold in tabletop mode. The highest rated security features with the certified Titan M2 security chip and Google Tensor G2. Pixel Fold is built with multiple layers of security to keep your personal info safe. VPN by Google One protects your online activity in any app or web browser. Plus, Pixel Fold gives you a secure, convenient way to unlock your phone. The power button is also the sensor for fingerprint unlock, or you can simply look at your screen and Face Unlock will do the rest. Switching to Pixel is easy. There's no other phone like Pixel. It's a smarter smartphone that delivers custom help whenever and wherever you need it. It makes every photo stunning and can even fix your old ones. It improves the colors you want and screens the ones you don't. Pixel gets innovative features over time so that you don't have to keep getting a new phone. No matter what phone you are switching from, you can transfer contacts, messages, photos, apps to your Pixel in a few simple steps. So, that's very nice. Helpful accessories for your Pixel Fold. The Pixel Fold case is specifically designed to protect your foldable phone from scratches and drops, whether it's open or closed. Charge your Google products quickly with the 30-watt USB-C charger. It's compact enough to take wherever you go, or wirelessly charge your Pixel or Pixel Buds Pro with Pixel Stand. It even turns your phone into a mini display for photos while it's charging. So that is so that's very cool, you know. Yeah. Specs. It does have fast charge. I don't know why it's doing that. Sorry about that. So anyways, it has fast charge. There is no expandable storage, obviously, because this is a Pixel device. It does have wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.2, world device 5G nationwide Type-C charging port, Android 13, 5G ultra wideband, of course, hotspot up to 10 devices on 4G, 5G. The height of the Pixel Fold is 5.5 inches folded and unfolded. The width of the Pixel Fold is 3.1 inches width when it's folded and 6.2 inches when it's unfolded. The depth of the Pixel Fold is 0.5 inches when it's folded and 0.2 inches when it's unfolded. The Pixel Fold weighs 10 grams. Weighs 10 ounces exactly. Excuse me on that. It's available in the obsidian color option. Noticeable materials: it has scratch resistant Gorilla Glass Victus cover glass, Gorilla Glass Victus back with polished aluminum frame, screen, full screen 5.8 inches, Full HD plus 20. It's 2092 by 1080 pixel resolution. It's an OLED panel, 406 ppi. That is the cover display. The main display, like the inside display, is 7.6 inches. They don't mention that at all nowhere on the spec sheet here, which is interesting. It has up to 120 Hz refresh rate. I don't know what the battery milliamp is with the Pixel, because they have two things listed here. So yeah, it has 9.5 megapixel dual PD front facing camera. That's for the cover screen and the inside screen. So pretty interesting there. It has a 48 megapixel quad PD with OIS and CLAF, and a 10.8 megapixel dual PD telephoto camera lens on the back. Right. Camera modes, I just mentioned these earlier in the video. It has rear camera, soft-read, magic eraser, further on blur, long exposure, dual tone, face on blur, panorama, manual white balancing, locked folded, night sight, top shot, portrait mode, portrait light, super resolution, motion autofocus, frequent faces. It has a Google Tensor G2 chip and a Titan M2 security coprocessor there. Memory, the memory has 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage, fingerprint, which is your power button, and facial recognition. It has 4G, of course. It has global and roaming network, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, ACAX, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6. Standby time 259 hours. Usage time 29.26 hours. There's your SAR ratings. It has a 6.5 aspect ratio. That's for the inside display. That's for the 7.6 inch display. The 7.6 inch display, which is on the inside of the Pixel Fold, has a 6:5 aspect ratio. Video, rear camera, 4K video recording, 3060, 1080p, 3060. Front facing camera, the outer camera, on the front facing camera on the cover display, records in 4K 3060, 1080p 3060. The inner front facing camera records in 1080p 30. It does have Google Assistant, obviously. There are your accessibility settings there. So very cool. So if you guys need help with your Pixel device, or if you guys need help with your Pixel Fold, Verizon has you covered here with device support. It says here Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. Alright, so that's now. So what comes in the box is your Pixel Fold, obviously. Type-C to Type-C charging port, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM ejection tool. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Pixel Fold is now here at Verizon Prepaid as of July 18th. So if you guys want a Pixel Fold on prepaid, Verizon has you covered here. You will have to pay full retail price for the phone on Verizon Prepaid, because there is no option to pay monthly for it. So y'all have to pay almost $2,000 for this phone up front. So keep that in mind, but it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are willing to spend that kind of cash on the phone on prepaid. So get insurance on it. So very nice looking phone, specs and features and whatnot. This is Google's first foldable phone, and I think they did a good job with it here. So check it out if you guys are interested, and then if you guys are willing to pay almost $2,000 for a phone, go for it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.